Shiba Inu Coin is rolling this morning. Guys, Shiba Inu Coin is up around 30% on the day, sitting above 1,000 points per coin again. Bitcoin is up, Ethereum is up. You go down the list, all of the cryptocurrencies are doing well, but Shiba Inu Coin outpacing the rest of them. In this video, I'm going to go over some more technical stuff, right? We've talked about Shibarium lately. We've talked about the metaverse, we've talked about the game, we've talked about the developers. Let's talk price action on Shiba Inu Coin because it is doing exactly what we want to see it do. Now, I'm going to get into that a little bit more here in a second, but I will say this, okay? Although I am still bearish in the short term, I still believe the cryptocurrency market has more room to go to the downside. The price action is performing beautifully, and let's jump into why. So if it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay. I'm here to make 2022 the best year ever. If you haven't clicked that subscribe button, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Join us, become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. And look, if you're brand new to investing, you don't know how or where to buy stocks and crypto, you got a link in the description below for Webull. Super simple to set up your account. Any deposit is going to get you guys 6 free stocks during the anniversary promo. You got a couple days left on that one. $1 crypto trade gets you $5 in free crypto. And if you guys want $50 in Bitcoin, you got a link down there for Voyager. You're going to get $50 in Bitcoin for signing up, making a $100 trade, and you can actually earn over 14% interest just by holding your crypto on the platform. You don't have to lock it, you don't have to stake it, any of that stuff. Man, cryptocurrency is having a great day today. Shiba Inu Coin is having an amazing day today. Even Bitcoin bouncing back, I believe at least 5% right now, above $21,000 per coin. Ethereum doing very well. It is a good day in the crypto space. Now, I want to start with the bad news, okay? And then we'll jump into the good news and why it's so good for Shiba Inu Coin to see it performing this way. But first with the bad, okay? This bounce is not a fundamental bounce. There is no change in anything to do with inflation, no change in anything to do with interest rates. There's no change in terms of Russia or lockdowns or viruses or anything out there that is causing the market to go down in the first place. So, with that being known, it is very likely that the underlying or overwhelming trend of the market, including Shiba Inu Coin and so on, is still to the downside. So we have to remember that. Without anything fundamentally different, why would we expect change? Now, let's get into the short-term technicals because this is where things get interesting. Bad news out of the way, man. Let's keep going with the good news because it is rolling today. And then towards the end, I want to talk about a couple of different, maybe strategies. If you're thinking about taking profits on this bounce, if you're thinking about, trading, day trading, swing trading, as the market either continues to swing lower or so on, let's talk about the pros and cons of that here in a second. But first, why is the price action on Shiba Inu Coin so beautiful right now? Because when Bitcoin is going down, Shiba Inu Coin is going down less. When Bitcoin is going up, Shiba Inu Coin is soaring in value. This, you couldn't ask for a better investment at that point. It has less, Shiba Inu Coin is showing less exposure to the downside, more exposure to the upside. And that is an absolute win-win. If you're going to lose, you're going to lose less. If you are going to gain, you are going to gain more. So you couldn't ask for anything better than Shiba Inu Coin right now. The price performance is impeccable. I know that the price is still low, right? Completely. I get that. Remember, I'm short-term bearish on the overall crypto market, so I understand that the price is low right now, but you honestly, I mean, how can you argue with less exposure to the downside, more exposure to the upside? Oh my gosh, my allergies are going to get me here. We're going to make it through the video, I promise. But let's talk about the maybe channel that could be forming here. Because we do have a nice little dip and a nice little bounce back up on Shiba Inu Coin, roughly up almost 50% from the recent low that it touched, around 700 points per coin, well above 1,000 points per coin there. Bitcoin going from 17,500 back to 21,500, very nice 20+% gain there. Things are really moving higher off of these lows, but let's not get ahead of ourselves, right? We have to remember the channel that we traded in for about a month, a little over a month, maybe even 6 weeks, when Bitcoin was fluctuating around that $30,000 mark. And this is exactly what we could be seeing when Bitcoin is fluctuating around the $20,000 mark. Bitcoin at that $17,000 level was testing the lows that we saw in the channel at the end of 2020. Now, Bitcoin bounced between roughly 17,000 and 19,000 for quite some time before busting through. It was well over a month that it was bouncing around in that channel, and we are back at the upper end of that channel in the $21,000 range where we stopped on the way back down. Shiba Inu Coin, very similar pattern, okay? Coming back down, touching the 700 point per coin level, bouncing back up nicely. If we just go a month back, we can remember that Shiba Inu Coin came down, and when Bitcoin tapped 25,000, Shiba Inu Coin coming down to, I believe, 800 points per coin, and then bouncing back very quickly to that 1,200 point per coin range, 1,400 point per coin range, gaining a nice, quick 50%. And of course, we are where we are today, and it's still down from those levels. So just because we have this intermediate price action does not mean that it is the beginning of a trend. Prices are cheap. Prices are bouncing off of these support levels, and of course, Shiba Inu Coin. I mean, guys, it's just astonishing to see Shiba Inu Coin performing as phenomenally as it is, especially because it's going to gain the attention. It's going to gain the attention of investors, not as something that is a stupid meme coin that's out there and you guys are wasting your money, but as a literal hedge against the downside of the cryptocurrency market and overexposure leverage to the upside. I mean, it will gain attention. There's going to be guys that have many more followers, that have mainstream media attention, that talk about this, and it's going to bring more exposure to Shiba Inu Coin and more positive light to Shiba Inu Coin. And therefore, we could see the amount of holders increasing as well. But here's the thing that I want to go over briefly. If you're thinking about trading Shiba Inu Coin in the short term, it is your decision to make that. It is your decision on when to buy, when to sell, when to hold, and so on. But we have to remember, at least from my perspective, the underlying trend or the overwhelming, the majority trend right now is to the downside until we see some fundamental differences in inflation, interest rates, Russia, and all the political uncertainty that's going on out there. Until we see changes in that, I believe it is bearish at the moment. Now, knowing we have these nice bounces, you have to look at technicals. And like I say, Bitcoin is going to be forming in a range most likely between that 17,500 and roughly 22,000 where it tapped on the way down just over the last couple of weeks. And as Bitcoin forms a range between 17 and 22, Shiba Inu Coin could absolutely be forming a range between 700 and 1,200, 700 and 1,300, and so on. And trade accordingly. Right? I mean, if you're still overwhelmingly bearish, play it with a preference to the downside at that point. Take profits when possible. Load up. But if you guys are holding, today is a great day to see those gains. And I don't know, man. I'm just really excited about the fact that it is bucking the overall trend. It is not acting like all of the other cryptocurrencies out there that are up 3, 4, 5% today. And the Shiba Inu Coin army is to blame for that. We hold when it goes down. We buy when it goes up. It is a massive audience, guys. And yeah, I'm proud. I'm proud of the Shiba Inu Coin army. I said it. I want to know what you guys think, though, about the price action. Let us know in the comments below your thoughts on a day like today where it is soaring in value. And if this button right here is still red, make sure to click it, subscribe to the channel, join us, become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. You're going to get 6 free stocks on Webull. You're going to get $50 in Bitcoin on Voyager. And until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.